Hey y'all, we are live at the Breathe Garden in Southbridge, Massachusetts, where Q is going to be opening a soft opening soon here for plant swaps and book swaps and intimate little date nights and sound baths. And if anyone is a music teacher or art therapy, it's just a collective space for us all to just come and wind down and breathe. So we are christening this place with beautiful sound and I invite you all to grab headphones and get a nice comfy spot and just kind of relax and breathe.
You're gonna read your meditation?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the guided meditation, but I'll do the meditation while I'm doing the sound bath.
Okay.
Just settling into our spaces, finding a nice comfortable spot. Beginning this meditation with an invitation to find a position where you're completely comfortable. A position of total ease. With your eyes closed for this practice, I'd like you to feel the weight of your body settling into the earth as if you are gently resting on a big, soft bed of moss. Allowing this safe connection to the earth to wrap you in complete peace. A snuggly moss blanket. Relaxing your cheekbones. Relaxing your jaw. And dropping the tongue from the roof of your mouth. Allowing your legs and your feet to drop naturally. Take a long, slow, deep breath in, breathing in the smell of the crisp soil from a freshly tilled spring garden. And as you breathe in, allowing this scent to invigorate you and wake you up. And on your exhale, letting go of the heavy, cold weight from the winter. Allowing stagnant energies to leave through your breath. We are here to begin our inward spring cleaning. A cleaning of the soul and a preparing for a gentle unfurling of our wings. Imagining now that you are a beautiful caterpillar. So low to the ground. Remembering that a caterpillar spends its time consuming, gathering, and preparing. Feeling the life within your cells begin to vibrate the energy of your potential. Breathing in and seeing a warm light at your root chakra. Reaching out like golden roots and flooding the space all around your root with light. your body softening, merging with the soil, your mineral-rich soil, rejuvenating your bloodstream with each breath. You are grounded, and you are perfectly prepared. Beginning to feel it pull towards this stillness, you find yourself a branch to begin weaving a soft silver cocoon. As you spool this thread around you, imagine a soft golden light that surrounds you, for this is your sanctuary. And within this space, you allow the old version of yourself, the old version of your cells, to begin a transformative shift. A great softening of the spirit. Remembering that there is no loss, there is only necessary dissolving. Within this dark place, please find patience with yourself. There is no rush. If you're uncomfortable, then take a deep breath, rejuvenating yourself back to the feeling of safety, that same safety that we created earlier. We are spring cleaning our spirit. We are realigning, recreating, reviving, renewing into something refined and refreshed. And everything that no longer serves us melts within this cocoon. Old stories, old habits, old patterns, negative thoughts, contracts written against your will, all of it swirling to create something beautiful. And as we rest in the state of our potential, feel the gentle, rhythmic pulse of your heart, for that is the only constant while we immerse in this change. Feeling a cool sensation at your navel as we spring clean our inner waters. Imagining your connective tissues releasing their grip, melting like wax. Your muscles relaxing as they release all of these old narratives. You are no longer solid. You are a pool of energy. Your DNA is dancing in the stratosphere as it writes itself into a higher vibration. The air all around you begins to feel warmer as the season has changed. Winter has emerged into spring, as you will emerge into a beautiful butterfly. You don't burst out into the world. This is the gentle unfurling process. Allow yourself to feel the weight of your new wings. Elegance and grace radiates from your heart center. An emerald light begins pulsating from your center. And as these serene sounds are washing over you, imagine your lungs expanding with this warm green light. Your breath now feeling like an effortless exchange with the universe. Feeling gratitude in this moment as you slowly prepare to re-enter the world, rebirth with new, vibrant color. Knowing and feeling the heavy winter energy as the caterpillar being exhaled and replaced with crystalline clarity of the spring air. You are no longer a being of the heaviness of earth. You are made of light and intuition. Feel your body delicately catching the vibrations of the music around you. And with each breath, allowing your wings to fill with life. Each breath you begin to strengthen more and more. The beautiful, slow unfurling process of drying and stretching our wings. Feeling your third eye and crown chakra activate with deep hues of blues and indigos. Violets all around your head. And visualizing these lights unfurling as you move through your nervous system, adding a sense of sparkle into your life. You are surrounded by complete safety. are surrounded by grace. You have freedom of will. You are empowered. A deep-rooted knowing that you are no longer bound to the ground. You are a masterpiece. You are delicate, and you are resilient all at once. A gentle breeze pushes you and allows you to let go of the branch that you're held to during this transformation process. And weightlessness succumbs. You can now navigate the world with a sense of grace and clarity. And you will always carry the wisdom of the caterpillar. You now process your reality from the sense of the butterfly. Soaring gently and observing reality from this sense of the butterfly, with the world's fresh, feminine air and new perspective. Welcoming in the winds of change and your connection through empathy and through compassion. Allowing your cells to bathe in this new energy as they vibrate with a higher frequency. Every single cell in your body is illuminated. You're free from the shackles that bound you to the ground. And now navigate the world with the light of your own internal glow. External distractions no longer hold you back from your authenticity. Your authenticity is what carries you. Free to express yourself and free to trust your intuition. Taking one long, slow, deep breath in and feeling the light tingling all the way to the edge of your big, beautiful wings. And as you slowly let your breath out, you can feel the energy settled into the new, rebirth, state of grace and permanent sense of inner peace. And as the last remaining echoes of healing sounds fill the room, imagine your wings folding against your back as they tuck that radiant glow in toward your heart center. Feeling the weight of your body against the mat. And feeling more space as if every cell has been washed and recharged with moonlight. A soft, feminine, graceful, compassionate light. perspective. Taking a deep breath, allowing the air to trickle all the way down to your spine as you anchor your spirit back into your earth body. And whenever you feel the gentle pull of Mother Earth from beneath your body, I invite you to blink your eyes open, remembering to carry the quiet, graceful, empowering energy of the butterfly with you for the entire season. And whenever everyone is ready, we'll stretch back into our physical bodies. Why don't we take 3 deep breaths, just grounding in our space. We're going to hear a ting noise and take a deep breath in through our nose, holding at the top for 4 seconds and then letting it out through our mouth. And a deep breath in through the nose, holding at the top, letting it out nice and gently. We're going to do this 2 more times. In through the nose, holding at the top, and out nice and slow. Feeling the changes in your body, feeling gratitude and feeling grace. And 1 more deep breath in through the nose, holding at the top for as long as you feel comfortable. And when you let it out with a big sigh. Welcoming home to your heart space, welcoming to divine remembrance of yourselves. Remembering that this peace and this inner wisdom is within you always. And it just takes a little of your awareness to tap into it.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome. Q's like, I'm gonna go to sleep
I
now.
could stay with you all night, you know.